How to host a website with Hostgator. Hostgator web hosting tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid blog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to host a website with Hostgator step by step in this Hostgator web hosting tutorial video. I'll be providing you with a 60% off hosting promo code shortly. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as we're always posting new WordPress tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to be going over 4 different steps to get your website hosted and up and running with Hostgator. Step 1 is how to sign up for an account with Hostgator. Step 2 is choosing a hosting package. Step 3 is registering a domain name. And then step 4 is how to install and set up your website with site builders or WordPress on Hostgator so you can start creating a website with Hostgator. The awesome folks over at Hostgator have provided me with an exclusive Hostgator coupon consisting of 60% off Hostgator web hosting. I provide the link to Hostgator in the description along with the Hostgator coupon code for the 60% off offer. The 60% off hosting coupon is Cupid60. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. I'll receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Some awesome features you will get with Hostgator's hosting is a one-click site builder install, 24/7 support from Hostgator. They also have award-winning support. They offer a 45-day money-back guarantee. You'll also receive over $200 in advertising offers from Google and Bing. Hostgator is one of the top web hosting providers, and Hostgator powers over 8 million domains worldwide. Feel free to click the Hostgator link in the description to walk through the steps with me to set up WordPress on Hostgator. Once you click the link, you will see Hostgator's web hosting page like you see here. Keep in mind, Hostgator does change their landing page quite often, so if it looks different, don't worry. The remaining steps after this stay the same. You'll see a Get Started button. Click the button. You will see 3 different plans you can choose from: the hatchling plan, the baby plan, and the business plan. The plan I recommend going with is the hatchling plan. You can have one domain name with this plan. You can always scale up to one of the other 2 plans if you need to. If you have more than one website, you will want to go with the baby plan, as this includes unlimited domains. Go ahead and select the hosting plan you want by clicking the Sign Up Now button. You will now be on a page where you want to choose your domain name. Type in the domain you would like to use along with a domain extension, for example .com, .net, .org, etc. I recommend going with a .com if you can, as this is the most common domain extension. If you already have a domain name, just click on the I already own this domain and put in your domain name. Once you do that, we want to choose our hosting plan. Just make sure the package type is the correct plan you want. Next, you want to choose the billing cycle. You can choose to pay monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. You will see you will save the most money the farther out you purchase your Hostgator hosting for. I'm going to show you how to get hosting even cheaper than what is listed in just a second. Next, you want to enter your username. Pick anything you would like. Next, just enter your 4-digit PIN. Make sure to remember this, as this is used when you need to talk to Hostgator support. Next, you want to enter your billing information. Over on the right hand side, you will see where you can put in your card information, or you can pay via a PayPal account. After you input this information, go to the next section where you can add additional services if you would like to. You will see protect your site from hackers. I will say there are plenty of free security alternatives for WordPress, so it isn't necessary. You will see get a professional email address from Google. I don't select this, as you can get free email accounts with the Hostgator hosting. Select this only if you prefer to do it via Google. Next, you will see back up your hard work. This will create a backup of your site. I unselect this, as there are free alternatives that work just as well. Next, you will see HTTPS SSL certificates. In order to get this, you have to have the baby hosting plan or above. An SSL certificate protects sensitive customer information. The next section is where you can add a coupon code. If you want to receive Hostgator hosting for up to 60% off, use promo code Cupid60. Now just scroll down and accept the terms and conditions and click the Checkout Now button. You will now be directed to a thank you page. Hostgator will now email you your Hostgator receipt and your Hostgator cPanel login credentials. Once you get the email, just click the link and log into the Hostgator cPanel. Once you are logged in, we want to install a website builder to start making your website. You will see one-click installs and next to it WordPress. Click WordPress if you'd like to create your site via WordPress. If you want to make your website with something other than WordPress, click on one-click installs. When you do, a bunch of site builders and content management systems will pop up for you to choose from to make your website. For the remaining of this tutorial, I'm going over how to make your website in depth with WordPress, as this is the most popular website building platform. Select WordPress. Next, you want to choose your domain name. You can pick it from the drop down. Leave the box next to it where it says directory blank. Now just click next. Now it will say blog title. You want to put in the name of your site here. Enter your admin, username, password, and other information to use for when logging into WordPress. Next, check the automatically create a new database and check that you agree to the terms and conditions. Once you do that, click the install now button. You will now be redirected to an installation complete page that lists out your WordPress login credentials. You now want to enter your domain name at the top of the search engine and put a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. You will receive an email with a link from Hostgator with a login URL as well. Once you log in, you will be in the WordPress dashboard where you can begin in creating your site. Towards the top, you will see your site title, and if you hover over it, you will see View Site. Click either one and you will see the WordPress default theme currently being used. Now, you just need to customize the site and make it look however you would like. I want to now go over a basic WordPress tutorial to help you learn a little about WordPress when making your website. From the WordPress dashboard on the far left, you will see tabs. Hover over them and get to learn them. Post is where you can add new posts. Pages is where you can add new pages. The media tab is where your images will show that you upload to your blog. Comments is where you can view comments people leave on your blog. Appearance is where you can change the look of your theme or change your theme to another one or a premium theme. Select themes when you hover over appearance. It will showcase free WordPress themes you can choose from. If you select most popular, it will show you the most popular free WordPress themes. Hover over a theme and click install. Once it is done, you will see a button where you can select activate to make the theme your WordPress theme. You should also see add new theme on this page. This is where you can add a new theme if you got it from another site or it is a premium theme. A great place to get premium WordPress themes is ThemeForest. I included the link in the description below. You can get already professional made WordPress themes if you don't want to bother with designing your site, etc. Another great site if you need help with designing your customizations in WordPress is freelancer.com. You can hire freelancers for tasks that you need done for as low as $10 per task. Fiverr is another great resource where you can get tasks done for just $5. You've successfully set up WordPress on Hostgator. You can now start creating your website with Hostgator. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my Hostgator web hosting tutorial on how to host a website with Hostgator. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.